What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get into your trunk when your trunk release or your smart key isn't working on your 2018 Hyundai Sonata. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is go into your back seat. Make sure the car's not running. Right now I have the car running, but make sure the car's not running. And what you want to do, if you tried everything, even this emergency release down here, and the trunk doesn't open and the button doesn't open and the button on the trunk doesn't work, this is your last resort. You pop out the back seat, right? There's a lever. This little prongs goes in here. So what you want to do is get into the car, get on your knees, and pop the seat up. Grab here and just pop the seat up on both sides, the left and right side, and then you just push it against towards the back, and then you can take out the whole bottom seat. The next thing we're going to want to do is to remove these. These are the 12 millimeter. Alright, grab yourself a 12 millimeter, and again, make sure the car's not running, because you're going to be working with, releasing these seatbelt thingy. Well, you don't necessarily have to release this, but just these parts that hold down the back seat rest. And we're going to take down this side, and then we'll get into the trunk, because there's no emergency pass through. There's no middle pass through, because this whole thing is blocked off. Okay, we got ourselves a 12 millimeter socket, and we want to take out these screws that holds down the backrest. Alright, after you do the passenger side, you do the driver's side, repeat the same thing, and then you just take out the bolster. Okay, move the seatbelt over to the side, and you push this up. Make sure you move the seatbelt yourself out of the hook. Okay, and just put it over to the side. And then we got two 10 millimeter here that we have to access here and here. We're going to do that on both sides. Alright, we have a 10 millimeter ratchet and wrench, and we're just going to take these sucker out, because it's not enough room to get a socket or in a thing in here, so it's better to do it this way. Alright guys, so I was able to get into the trunk. Now I couldn't really bring this the backrest down, so all I had to do was, I had a little bit of space under the seat, and I lifted the seat from here a little bit, and then I took a long extension, long pry bar, and what I did was, I grabbed onto this. This is the folding mechanism for the seat, to fold the seat down. So I took that pole or pry bar, and all I did was I push against it like I am right now. I don't know if you guys can see. All I did was I push, and the seat folded down, and I was able to get into the trunk. Now I'm going to show you how I was able to unlock the trunk from the inside. And here it is. So what we want to do is this is the part that failed. And what we do is you grab either two flathead, a small and a big one. And what you want to do is you take one of the flathead and you push it against this part of the lock, and then you take the other flathead with your other hand and you push it against this part right here. Right here. Usually when it's locked, this part is extended out, so you push. Try to zoom in. It's pretty dark. I mean, not dark, but it's pretty bright outside today. So like I was saying, you push against this and then against this at the same time, like cross each other like that. You push against and it just pops the trunk out and just open up. And that's how you get into the trunk. I mean, that's how you open the trunk. Now I got to take all this out and replace this locking mechanism, because this is the electrical part that failed. Alright, let's get it. Here's the replacement lock. Got it off of Amazon. Dealer wants like almost $200 for this. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work. It should work, but let's try it. Now I gotta take this panel off, popped everything off, and to get to this. Okay, to put the new one on, you just take out the clips for the trunk lining, and then the two 10mm. Take out the electrical connector, take the latch out, and just pass it through this little thing, and get it out. But now we got it on, and we close the trunk. We press the button right here, it pops right out. Close it again, use the remote. Now that's the problem. It's working, but not through the remote, so it's another issue we gotta figure out. It opens when you press the button on the trunk. Let's see if it opens from the inside. Let's see. Okay, the button works, but when you press the remote, I think the car has to be off for it to work with the remote. I'm not sure. So alright, got a new trunk release, and yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a recall for this with Hyundai. A lot of their cars, the Elantra, the Sonata, where the trunk would just stop working. So if you have a Hyundai Sonata or Elantra or Santa Fe or whatever, there's a recall on this, on just this part of the lock. I don't think it's the bottom one. The bottom one is always fine. It's this one that's always broken. But that pretty much sums up this video.